At Sahara, we guarantee shipping to any planet by tomorrow. If your package is late, we send you a butler for 30 days, free trial. Upgrade to Sahara Prestige, or else the Billionaire Knight wears a mask made from Sahara package tape. Warehouse shadows know his shape. He's the bathroom banisher, the aisle enforcer, Sahara's owner turned morale's disposer. He swings from forklift with a barcode whip, checks your bladder with a corporate grip. If you pee on company time, you'll feel the pain from the Sahara Prestige vigilante, padding his stocks while driving his workers insane. Scan that box, pack that bin. If it's late, the customer wins. Guaranteed shipping to any planet by tomorrow. The customer's butler free trial gets sent to their door. 30 days to serve them, because the Billionaire Knight refuses to feed the poor. The Billionaire Knight stock rises. The Billionaire Knight's ego rises. The Billionaire Knight's warehouse pea bottle museum rises. The Billionaire Knight's overcompensation rises, yeah. Jesteryn is in the Sahara warehouse's rafters, laughing through the feed. Live streaming about Sarah's working conditions. Justice is what you read. The Billionaire Knight is mid-patrol, swinging like a goon. Jesteryn blows airhorns at him, making him fall in the loading room. Jesteryn trolls the caped courier, it gives him delight, while Platinum Father orders from Sahara late on purpose every night. Platinum AI bots make purchases for gear he'll never need, just to keep a constant turnover of servants for the Platinum AI system's feed. Scan that box, pack that bin. If it's late, the customer wins. Guaranteed shipping to any planet by tomorrow. The customer's butler free trial gets sent to their door. 30 days to serve them, because the Billionaire Knight refuses to feed the poor. The Billionaire Knight stock rises. The Billionaire Knight's ego rises. The Billionaire Knight's warehouse pea bottle museum rises. The Billionaire Knight's overcompensation rises. The broke knight stumbles and drunk, doing an impression of Christian Bale. Got his armor from a thrift store clearance sale. He's never ordered a Sahara package, never could afford a thing. He's pissed he's not rich, so he fights against the Billionaire Knight, who acts like a cat. The broke knight says, I've got no prestige, I've got no pay, but I already showed up, so I'll stand in your way. the camera, bathroom cop. These parodies are never gonna stop. The broke knight taunted, the billionaire knight. I'll steal your fortune and make these warehouses into parties unchained. Hey butler, open a box of champagne. The billionaire knight's dog rises. The billionaire knight's ego rises. The billionaire knight's warehouse pea bottle museum rises. The billionaire knight's overcompensation. The broke knight's bar tab rises. Jesteryn's prank footage rises. The broke knight's record for passing out in a forklift without getting caught rises. Jesteryn's view count for Night Fight Fridays rises. The broke knight slurs. Where'd I put that beer? Oh right, still in my hand. Jesteryn exclaims!